How to check unknown caller on iPhone. So in order to check who called you from an unknown number, then what you want to do is simply head over to your app store. And there you have to download one application called Truecaller. Also, there are many more alternative apps. Once you have installed it on a device, simply open it. I have installed this application called Truecaller. Wait for a while for it to load. So once you are in the app, you have to enter your country and your phone number. After that, your account will be created. Once your account has been created, it will land you on this homepage. Now in order to check, what you want to do is click on the search a number. And then you have to enter the unknown caller phone number and then tap on search. After that, the name of the person who are using that number will be available to you. And that is how you will be able to find out who called you on your phone. Now the next thing you can also do is you can dial *69 on your phone. Once you proceed to call in this number, it will allow you to recall the last incoming call that you missed. This service is provided by most telephone services storing the caller's phone number, and it will allow you to quickly connect back with them. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can check unknown caller on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.